What's up, guys? Welcome back to Steve Hates Blocks. Today we are playing. Oh crap! We are playing Press the Button 4. Yeah, we spent a lot of Robux on this game, as you can see.
I finished.
I have a magic carpet. But we're gonna do all this clearly. Find the 4 missing gears. Go to the button to recover the gear. Oh. Let's insert the gear. Oh. Where's the other gears? Wait, hold on.
Found glitching.
Let's go. I got plus 80 coins. Oh, wow. I got a lot of coins. Alright. So, we're going to do all this fair and square. Alright?
Maybe.
No, fair and square.
My iPad's glitching.
Survive. I'm already dead. Alright, let's just see from the top. I think everyone's dead. Everyone's dead, bro. Oh.
Is it trick that
Wait, can I glitch out?
With the magic carpet, you somehow go down.
It ain't working.
For me, it sometimes works.
Only if there's a quantum clone or something. What? What's happened? Okay. Wow. Get the boss to the other side. Oh, Veer, you're cooked. Go. Move. Why aren't the boss moving? What if I freeze? Wait, what if I freeze the other players? This is not like cheating because you can buy this with coins. So it's not pay to win. Crap, I'm freezing my own teammates. I'm freezing that guy. That girl. Oh, I need to freeze Veer. Hey, he's using magic carpet. L, Veer, L. L, chat, L. Oh, crap, bro. They're cooking. Crap.
Get it! We won!
You're not winning.
Are we losing?
No, you're winning.
Exactly.
But you're
Fall!
about...
I'm red!
Yeah.
Fall!
No! The red team won.
Fudge!
You won.
No!
You're red, right?
Oh, yeah.
Don't fall in the lava. What do you mean? Veer, get off the carpet. You're L. Crap!
Exactly!
That was so fast. Oh, I figured out the game, chat. Lock in. Shout out to Setsin and Ara23.
You know what, guys? Turn off this shitty music.
Yeah, sure. Back, guys.
I'm gonna put some nice song. It's called Raining Tacos.
Oh yeah, do you have the beatbox? Wait, guys, I'm gonna put it up.
Sky, tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos,
Alright, guys.
Stay still.
Giant black hole. We're cooked. Bro, who's putting that money? Reach the end. Alright, bye. No magic carpet, guys. Just me and the obby. Oh, I sold. It's fine. Hello? Okay, guys, we are selling. We might have to pay to win.
My favorite is a bank robbery. Remember the bank robbery?
Oh yeah, that was the W one. That was really W. If you can't see, me and my bro are matching with both the Creekcraft head. Creekcraft is low-key my big inspiration, bro.
Creekcraft, if you see this, you're goated.
Yeah, bro.
Look at that.
Alright. Pressing the button. Jump over the coming lasers. Oh crap. Chat, let's go. Come on. We ain't moving. We ain't selling. Come on. This could be our first time. Not first time winning. But let's go.
I won!
Oh, I'm the button presser, guys. I'm the button presser. Wait, I want to be button presser again.
I pressed it.
Oh, don't get caught.
What you got?
Haha, you did. What, is there a police officer? I've actually never done this. Oh, not there. I'm freezing this, guys.
Don't get.
I'm just gonna troll him. Who's the attacker? Oh my god, there's a policeman, bro. Oh, okay, I'm using jetpack. This is for things, so crap.
Oh, you got saved.
Okay, I'm going a bit too high. Huh?
Banana peel.
Of course. The most tiled. Go, go, go. No, I'm using it. Oh no, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh no, it does. It very much does. But we're gonna use pay to win for this because it looks like everyone else's. I think. I don't know. I can't really see at the moment. But this is generally used for this game. So I'm sorry if I'm being an L right now for using pay to win. But
Oh, green's winning.
wait, you can also buy this in the shop for coins. We just bought coins and
Oh, we
then
bought this for
launched.
Robux.
Oh yeah. This was like a limited time thing. We bought it.
Okay, guys. Got me.
Yeah. So my brother has to kind of leave right now. He's got like homework and stuff. Well, he's eating breakfast and then he has to do homework. Well, no, he finishes. So whatever. Just I need to lock in. Lock in. Let's go. Wait, what? What was it? On your marks. No cheating. I'm gonna full speed run this. Nah, he be cheating. Nah, Veer was cheating. L, Veer, L. Look. He's cooked. Find the button. Crap, I actually don't like this one. Yo, wait, where's session? W session, bro. W. Building with a find the light with the building. What? Lights out. Stay in your place with light. Try here. What do you mean winners are them? W. Wait, how did they win? What did they do? Oh, you have to make it to that area. Go chat. Let's go. W. Alright, I'm gonna free some people in troll. Like Veer. Where's Veer? Where's he at? Oh, there he is. He's had to restart like 4 times. No, he just died again. He's a sellout. I'm not gonna do session. He's been W. Chat, W. Where's Veer at? Okay, I guess I didn't make it. Stay close to the light.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No batidão, só por atento.
That was very inspirational, guys. Don't stay close to the light. Reach the end. Alright,
Oh, this game.
we're doing this fair and square.
Plantação Belo, vou viver a minha vida nação. E na fonte dos teu casa, te dá dia, não dá.
Let's go! That, bro. Alright, not session. Alright, we're gonna troll. We trolled. We be trolling, chat. We be trolling.
George.
Troll him again, bro. Troll. Yeah, okay. Who else we trolling? Can be outside. No one be coming. Alright. Push the orb off the lobby.
Sure.
Alright guys, we're gonna play one more after this and the video will be ended, chat. Alright.
I thought I'd get the 0.8% chance. I got 20.
Watch out. Fa.
Oh.
Wait, what if I go there? Oh. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. And see you guys in the next video.